tayo sa ating programa. Ang oras po namin ay 3:25 in the afternoon.
Partner, may maganda tayong tanong dito galing kay Roms Punzala ng Pampanga. Sabi niya, Freddie and Gretch, ang cute naman ng mga guests ninyo. Kasali ba sila dun sa World Grand Prix? Meron ba kayo dun?
Yeah.
Then pupunta daw dito yung national team ng Cuba, Brazil, tsaka Italy.
Wow!
Sa future, sasali sila. Nasa college pa lang po sila. Anyone part of the national team or who wants to try out for the national team? Meron ba tayong national team ng volleyball?
Yes.
Ba't tingin face mo? Ayaw mo?
Hindi. Meron.
Do you feel that, yung mga members ng national team are not within, like you're not within their standards? Ganun ba ang tingin niyo na masyado silang magagaling? Or do you feel that you're still young and would like to try out someday? Yung totoo lang. Coach, ikaw na lang magsabi. Ano tingin mo yung mga bata mo? Yan ba pwede na isampa sa ating national team?
Sir, kasi sa akin, salasag kasi try-semester, then yung training sa morning, then magsasabi na training ko dun sa afternoon sa national team. Siguro parang mahirap para sa tulad dito student athlete para isama sa national team. So yun yung sigurong nakikita kong mahirap para
so
sa...
So what you're saying is the time schedule.
Yeah, time schedule.
Nauubos dahil sa team ninyo at sa eskwelahan.
Yes.
So if it comes, will come. Meaning after school, siguro when they're out of school already, tapos na yung pag-aaral nila, then they can try out.
Yes.
Is there any player in the national team that is studying right now? Do you guys have any idea? Okay, balikan na natin yung tanong ko kanina. Ateneo, ang naging kalaban ng Lasal. Personalan ba yun?
There's a part. There's a part that you feel the rivalry inside the court.
Okay.
Pero not personal and individual players. Siguro school rivalry.
But yung mga supporters, yung mga nag-cheer.
Ang personal na
Personalan talaga. May narinig ba kayong mga side comment?
Madami.
Katulad ng, share ka din.
Ay, ako.
Go, Abby. Share ka.
Wala po. Usually sa mga Facebook, Twitter, social, ganyan.
Ano mga panlalait sinasabi nila?
Wala ba nang lalait na, okay, pwede na kayo dyan sa volleyball, pero sa basketball, hindi nyo kami kayang taluhin. Meron bang gano'n?
Di lang po namin alam. Baka may gano'n. Meron din po.
Meron na, no?
Madami talaga.
So, ikaw, Gretch, dun sa UP, wala ba sinali pati UP?
Uy, mag-guest dito yung champion na football team next week ng UP.
Ang UP champion ba?
Of course, men's football.
Akala ko, lang sa
back-to-back din. So, congratulations kay Coach Anto. Kasabay ko yan sa palarong pambansa.
Coach, let me ask you, as a group, is it easy to weave discipline and teamwork amongst the women?
So, sa case na babae, mahirap, sir.
Bakit?
Unang-una, kailangan na sacrifice yung love life.
Ganon? Yun bang deal ni Coach? Ba't parang nakasimangot yung parang hassle?
Stress.
Bawal ang cellphone habang nagte-training.
A night out, before ng games ko, bawal.
Ano yun, kino-contestate mo, Coach? Hala? Paano nababasa niyo yung mga BBM sa inyo?
Dinabalik naman so, ginamagaan.
No, pero Coach, bakit ba malaking hindrance ang love life?
Wala ng focus. So, talagang distraction. So, sa akin naman kasi yung first hanggang third year, yan, siguro sa dapat control. Then, kasi para makafocus dun sa academics pati.
Sino ba dito may boyfriend tapos na yung season?
Siguro ito na lang team captain ko. Kasi pag-graduate na.
Hindi ako matanda.
Ikaw lang ba may boyfriend sa team?
Ako yung siguro pinakamatanda. So,
Meron bang age ang pagkakaroon ng boyfriend? Pagka 17 ka, bawal. Pag 19 ka, pwede na. Ganun ba yun? By the way, congratulations to them. You know why? They're going to be featured sa Sports Unlimited.
Wow!
Channel 2.
Panoorin natin yan. Ano oras ang Sports Unlimited? After
Butterfly?
11,
What a-
11 p.m.
Ito ba talagang dito si Noobs ng Quezon City. Ara, how do you feel as a Rookie of the Year part ka ng first six kaagad?
Masaya po. Hindi ko rin po expect ng una, pero siguro po yun talaga yung meant para sa akin.
Kung rookie ka, so first year pa rin sa Lasal. Saan ka galing high school?
Sa Angeles University Foundation.
And then, are you a walk-in? Were you na-scout ka ba? Coach, paano mo nakuha si Ara?
Actually, second year high school pa lang yan, nakikita na namin dun sa Clara Amit. So, Central Luzon.
I see.
So, then, pinausap ko na yung coach niya na after nung high school niya, kung po pwede, consider niya yung Lasal. So, yun naman, na-take naman ang isa.
First choice? O ano ito ibang schools na nag-recruit sa'yo? Okay lang share mo na sa Lasal kami.
Let me ask you, no? How do you train them to really jump tayo? Yung mataas mo, kaya.
Paano? Sino magdademo ng wheel jump?
Di ba, nagpa-plyo ba sila? See? Plyo. Ang galing talaga.
Plan is core, di ba?
I'm sorry?
Na-develop din yung core niya.
Yes, but more so on jumping ability, di ba?
Ready, what's your training schedule like and what's your
Very good question.
school
Oo nga,
schedule?
oo.
Kung na lang tatanungin kita. Kasi masteral na si Chai.
Morning po, 9 to 12.
So you can't have classes at that time.
Yes.
9 to 12, so before that, pwede kayo mag-class. Like a 7 a.m. No way.
But it's hard din eh. Kasi po, the first class is 8 to 9:30. So maghahabol ka pa. So it's really not advisable to take that class.
So afternoons and midnight classes lang.
So, different colleges.
What are your courses like?
Yes, biology.
Wow! Gusto mo maging doktor?
Yes.
Wow, partner.
Is there somebody here who say like a summa cum laude, honor student?
Meron na.
DL.
DL. Dean's Lister yung
Dean's List.
Sinong Dean's List dito?
Dalawa.
Ikaw? Wow! Galing! Hindi yan!
Parang hindi ka naniniwala, oh.
Hindi.
Ikaw?
Hindi naman cum laude. So, para it runs in the family.
Sino ang father niya?
Pakilala mo daddy mo.
My dad is Mitchell Gumaba, or known as Dennis Rodan.
Showbiz din. Ay, may tanong dito nga pala. May bala ka raw ba mag-artista o maging model? I'm pretty sure you get that a lot.
Kasi my brother is with ABS now.
Love you.
My
Parang
younger
pinapanood.
brothers. Every Sunday.
Sunday ba siya?
Every Sunday.
Before the buzz, di ba? After ASAP. Si Mark Gumabaw.
So yun, when he came out, sobrang dun dumami talaga yung questions na if I'm gonna do it nga rin. So, not now. Not my priority now.
But you're open.
Yeah.
Sino mag-showbiz? Siya. Ikaw, showbiz ka ba? Anong tinitake mo? Anong course mo master?
Special education.
Oh, wow. So, you're planning to be a teacher. Ikaw ba, Michelle? What's your course?
Marketing manager.
And then, Ara?
Sports management.
Sports Spanish. Abby?
Philippine Mass Media.
Ano yung mass media? As in, parang mass com?
Yeah, pero Filipino major.
Oh, wow.
Siguro dapat ang tanongin si Coach. Coach, papasok ka ba sa showbiz?
Eh, bala ka ba maging leading man?
Oo.
Malapiolo?
O kaya kontrabida.
No, but Coach, what do you always tell the players? Even like every game, sweep nyo eh. So, meron ba kayong... And how do you motivate them?
So yun lang, sabi ko sa kanila na lagi nila kung ano yung kaya nila, kung sino sila, yun lang.
Do you have like a running line that you say to motivate them, like huwag yung kakalimutan?
Huwag mo kakalimutan kung ano yung kaya nyo, kung ano kayo, kung champion kayo, or yan, kung lagi yung pride, sabi ko kung maglalaro.
Yes. Do you by any chance like get mad? All coaches do, no? How often? And by getting mad, do you think that you have to show madness at times for them to wake up? Oo, sila eh.
Madalas po, lalo na sa practice.
Naka-dorm ba kayo? Or...
Yes.
Kasi ang saya, bonding talaga.
Yes.
But meron ba, ito you're the captain, how do you discipline your teammates?
In what way?
In what way? Siyempre, di ba, you were all girls, tapos meron naman siguro may pasaway ba kayong teammates? 14 kayo, imposible wala.
Siguro first, kailangan ko muna maging role model. Before ko sila pagsabihan, kailangan inaayos ko muna yung job ko as captain. And then, syempre, merong mga korte. So, pag pinagsasabihan, naayos naman.
Yung position nyo, no? Di ba meron mga senya sa inyo sa likod?
Numbers.
Oh, yung numbers, no?
Wait.
Explain.
She's the setter. That numbers kasi po, parang it's a way of communicating with the spikers. Kasi po, kailangan, alam nila, kasi nga po yung offense is a way para makagawa ng puntos. So, you have different plays para po, yun, magkaroon,
Organized kayo.
Organized po.
Magtawag ka nga ng play ngayon. Paano yun? Saan kayo naman?
Kasi po, they have different positions. May middle, may utility, and open hitters. So, usually po, lagi sabi sa akin ng coach ko, unahin ko po yung gitna, the middle hitter. Usually, ang sinasayas ko po sa kanya is running. This is running. This is quick play, be quick, short run. So, madami po yan. We have play 1. Pag play 1, it means combination already. May papasok po ng be quick, and then may papasok po ng dos, or parang differential na set. So, madami po talaga yan. It depends on the strength of the spiker din po. So, if like Ate Abby, her strength is mabilis po siyang pumasok, so you have to give 8. At titingnan din po syempre yung strength po ng blockers ng opponent. If dikit-dikit sila, syempre, ang gagawin mo, ilayo po.
Yeah.
So, it's really complex and
Does it happen na nagsisisiyan kayo?
no.
Especially pag may konting miscommunication.
Wow. Really?
Hindi naman.
Walang ganunan, like, ano ba naman?
Hindi mo
Ba't tinubingan nata?
Kaya
Ano ba?
po kami,
Tulog ka ba?
Point, bawal. Yun.
Bawi. It's more, positive.
Positive
Yes,
that.
yes.
Kasi pagka sinisi mo, lalo masisira yung laro nito.
Para mapupull down.
That's okay. But don't do it again.
Uulitin yan.
Yan, talaga.
Sino ang,